Hello and welcome to yet another exciting episode of your favorite program. This is Buhle Betfu and my name is Nelly Swamakanya. As I'm seated right here, I'm at a wonderful location right here in the capital seat of Mbabane. We are at Namaste Spa. We start our day today with this wonderful spa as they tell us more about what they have to offer to you, because these are the activities that we pride ourselves on at Buhle Betfu, which we want you to be part and parcel of. Let's take a look of what Namaste Spa is all about.
My name is Buhle Shongwe. I'm the director of Namaste Spa at Bracken Hill. So basically I run the spa but I'm also part of the therapists that actually work with the spa. So Namaste Spa started in March this year. It's been a long road to get it a new baby. So we started in March. This is our fifth month. A dream come true though, because I've been wanting to do this for a while. Own my own business and actually hire people to give employment to some of the youth lekhona. So that's how Namaste was born, and so far we've actually been getting a few clients come through, but I think more than anything it's word of mouth. People are spreading the word and people are coming through and see. Some are coming through to have treatments, but we're growing spa, so we're hoping to in time we will actually get the numbers and we'll be very busy. So packages that Namaste Spa offers is we've actually got two kinds for now so far, but what I do is on a weekly basis I try to promote a new package every week to try and get people, if Mhlambe special last week you didn't like, hopefully this week I'll put in a new treatment that will actually intrigue people and people will want to come through and see what's going on. But as of the price list, there's two packages. There's actually one which I love and I find is very popular because it's called the best friend package, where you can bring your best friend with you. It can actually be a couple retreat, maybe if you want to bring your husband, your boyfriend or whatever. But people are bringing their friends to come through and have the best friend package, which actually involves 2 aromatherapy massages and 2 pedicures for both of you. Quite nice. So I find that's becoming very, very popular. Let me first name the number of massages that we do provide at the spa. We've got the hot stone massage, we've got the aromatherapy massage, we've got the Swedish massage, and then we've got the deep tissue massage. Then I'll tell you, aromatherapy is medium it's actually very light pressure. It's a light pressure massage, which is mainly for lymph drainage. Your lymphatic system is actually your secondary circulatory system, which actually helps to detox the body, basically. So that one is more of a relaxation sort of massage, detoxing. If you are looking for relaxation and detoxing, that's the one you'll go for. Or the Swedish, which is a medium pressure massage, and that one is for someone who's really feeling tired and worn out. Once you have that one, it re-energizes you, it relaxes you, it's good for tension. That's a beautiful one, actually, also very popular. And then you've got your hot stone therapy, which is perfect now in winter because we actually use what's called volcanic stones heated up. We heat them up and we actually generate heat into your body using those stones. It's a beautiful massage. In winter, you can only imagine when it's so cold outside, then to have the hot stone massage would be the best one. So that one is mainly for someone who's probably coming down with flu or someone who's really feeling lethargic and really achy because of flu. to be a nice massage to have. And then we've got the deep tissue massage, which is more of we cater for athletes, your sports people that have probably in front of a computer the whole day. So your corporate people, meetings, and yes, just because you have a presentation, it's a perfect one. The deep tissue massage, because it's actually proper deep tissue. We actually cater for the muscles that are the muscle that you can't reach because gubhlungu. So that's the one. And then for people that have come from sporting events, very nice for them. So that's the difference with all the massages, is the actual pressure that is used for each massage. So depending on what the person has booked for, you more or less, once you lie the client on the bed, you talk to them about what their needs are, specific needs. What are your specific needs? Because as well, someone may book for an aromatherapy massage and really what they really do need is probably a Swedish massage. So depending on what the client will tell me, what her needs are, or what her biggest problem for actually coming to visit is what will determine what treatment I do. And then of course the pressure lies on the therapist actually working on you. But you also find some clients will come in, book for an aromatherapy massage, insist on wanting an aromatherapy massage, but want a deeper massage, a deep tissue massage. So you'll actually go deeper because the client requires you to do so. But more than anything, you are the director basically. As a therapist, you are the one that's directing the treatment. So you are the one that knows what the needs you should be concentrating on are for the specific client that you're working on. We have big dreams for Namaste Spa, huge dreams. I want to try and add a steam room to the spa. We were talking about it a few days ago, and it looks like it's something that's highly, probably in the next few months we would have added a steam room to try and make sure that when you come and you find everything, the full package. Exactly, because everyone has been asking us about steam room. Do you have a steam room? Do you have a steam room? So I've decided, you know what, if we do, seeing as we do have space to be able to add it, I think it's something we're going to be doing in the next few months. Probably by the time December comes, we should have a steam room as well. Yeah, that's one of the things. Otherwise, we are seeing as we're a new baby. We're hoping that with time, we'll be slowly adding on new things and doing new things. Last month we actually had a yoga day, which was quite nice. People attended, but I'm hoping it's something I'm going to try and do on a monthly basis, like have a class once a month, where they come and gather at Namaste to actually come and have a yoga class. It was a very successful event actually. So, but seeing as we have all this space here, we'll be doing different things. We'll find other months we'll be doing sip and paint. Well, there's so much we still have in store for you guys. So the relevance of a pedicure, I promise you, and this is not to say, actually I need to actually make, this is a very important subject to talk about. Pedicures, especially because men for some reason think they don't have a reason to take care of their feet, and they're so wrong. Okay. Everybody needs good looking feet. Everyone does. And I find most women will actually go and have their feet done. When they say they had their feet done, they talk about painting for their toes to look nice and pretty because they had a color painted on. But they don't actually have pedis. Pedicure, it is so true. And we all have to, it's so embarrassing to find a lady, she's looking all pretty. Because phela now usisi nje, usisi it's even worse ngoba vele tinyawo tethu ufuna bedinhle at all times. And I know people will say it's winter now ngani ngudelo tibonako. Uyathi ukuthi it's personal hygiene, honestly nje kumqoka. And it prevents all these other things from happening to your feet, the fungus and all these things. Cuticle work is very, very important. We get what's called overgrown cuticles, and they cover the actual nail. So it's important to actually push that back. Your toenails are supposed to be only a certain length, really. Ngeke bese sekuexceeda lokho ngoba kwecala nje ku-unhealthy. Kwesibili, you can imagine now ungakhutshwa kuthi kungentekani netinzipho letinzo, uyabona. So everyone has to take care of their feet. It's very, very important, especially men. If there's a treatment you should come for as a guy to a spa, is your mani and your pedicure, both manicure and pedicure. And honestly, go to you had a mani or a pedicure, because it's expected of everybody. So how you find Namaste Spa is on Facebook. We have a page, Namaste Spa, on Facebook, and then on Instagram, Namaste Spa 8787. Yeah, it is. And then TikTok as well, Namaste Spa. Otherwise, you can actually contact us, 7903 9727. That's our main number that we use. Oh, and 78674484. Please do come and visit Namaste Spa. We're at Bracken Hill. We are on Mountain Drive in Babani, at Bracken Hill Lodge. That's where you'll find us at Namaste Spa. It's actually quite a nice drive to even get to Namaste Spa. Just try it and come through and see. And of course, about Namaste Spa, the actual treatment that you'll have from out of this world, I promise you. So do come and visit us whenever you get a chance.
Buhle Betfu, I hope you're still enjoying your favorite show. Let's take a short break, because when we come back, we have more to show you. And this one that we're taking you to after this short break, it's actually an art exhibition. I'm talking about the things that you usually see in the movies. You are going to see them right here in Buhle Betfu. Stay tuned. Today we are here at an art gallery. It's called Buhle Art Gallery, which is right in town in the capital city, Mbabane, where we are here for an exhibition night. We have a couple of artists that will be showcasing their beautiful work of artistry. We just want to find out what's the story behind the artistry work that they are doing, and also find out what is it that inspires them as artists, because I'm sure that this is the kind of things that people travel all the way to come and see in Eswatini, that we are also shining, we are also doing something. Let's go and find out what do they have.
This exhibition, this is our first collaboration. I've been this is spiritual enlightenment, I should call it, but I like to use my mother tongue, Gwembulelega. I fell in love with art from a very young age. I think I was in primary school. That's donkey years ago, but yeah, primary school. Then as in Kula, you discover some new arts in Kula. I discover new art, but yeah, what drew me into art, Kakulu, it was maybe because in Kula I had a speech problem, which made me but at the same time vocal through my work, and from there I started drawing. I drew cartoons, I drew almost everything that came into mind. Then Then later on, I think it was my late 20s, late 20s or into mid 20s, I then fell in love with photography. Surprisingly, I got the skill from my sister. Yeah, my sister was the one who had a camera, Sister Kula, and I saw this gadget and I was like, oh, it's nice. I can use it now. Maybe I can tell a story. And later on, maybe 8 years later, I got my first camera, which was 2017. Then from then, I never stopped. Now I'm able to do something else. Not even if it's painting, I can do painting because of a photography. It just opened my abilities actually.
What goes into the inspiration? Like, what really inspires you as an artist when you're taking those photos, when you're doing your paintings and everything? Like, what's the story behind all that?
The name of the series is Gwembulelega. If umbulelegile is like you are seeing this light, it's different from anybody else's light. Ngimbulelegile in some certain yabona way, as ngisahamba endleleni kuba netinfo lengibona ngathi yabona ngimbulelekile ngato, and uthi uyadibona letinfo ubone ema spirits tsite la kwenda umbuleleke. I'm a Christian, I should say, and I'm a strong believer of Christ, and mine the way lengibuleleke ngakhona ngibuleleke through Christ, but le exhibition, it's not a stereotypic yabo kind of exhibition ukuthi itawuthi ikuholela ngalana kuNkulunkulu kuphela, but it is free yabona for everyone to interpret it in any certain way. The future of artists in the country, I think it's bright, but inema obstacles, and young people need to see uthi you can do art, and if you love art, you are able to succeed. Ngizengafiki like succeeding, but I'm one person who sees art in the country being that big thing. Everybody loti. If I have art, or if I do art, I'm able to live with art. There's the art space and the exhibitions. I see a number of exhibitions are up in the country, and galleries are opening up. Yeah, but too bad they're in the capital city, Kamanzini good, and all other regions good. It's just, we as artists, I think it's good nigeta insaya and ne ngathini lithini ligamaleli kunginiketa ukuthi nami ngifune kuba nekwami noma ngi-ownishe info lecishe ifane nalena in Nangan. And art, it's wall in that art piece. I-wall iyodwana, it's not art, but yabona, once you put something on it, it's art. On Facebook, Tabiso _Popeye, Tabiso TARBISO _POPEYE on Instagram. Then on Facebook, Tabiso it's THABISO, and then Popeye Malo.
this is an exhibition that really is close to me. It commemorates a spiritual journey that one of us as a collective was going through. So it's just, I'm an artist more than anything. I love art. I consume a lot of art, yes.
So what's the background story behind all that we are getting here today? It's your exhibition.
I think I'm an observer more than anything. So what goes on in my mind mostly is just looking at life. I'm inspired by a lot of real stuff in terms of real life experiences, authenticity, especially in our country. There's a lot that is going on that can be told through artistry in a way that is consumable and understandable to the next person. So even psychology, it helps me to understand people more better, since I said I'm an observer. So most of the time I think I try to show some bit of realness and rawness in my art, in whatever form it is, because I also write as well. So it's inspired by just real events and real people experiencing real life.
I'd like to understand that as a Liswati, where does this really take us, as far as taking Eswatini and putting on the map out there in the world? As I'm saying, when you talk about art, exhibitions, moving. So now that we're having something like this where you're bringing us an exhibition experience and everything, how does it speak to Emaswati, and also just to put us in the map in that way? As many people, when they come to this country, I believe that they want to see such things, they want to see such talent, they want to see artists like you.
I think these spaces are really important, for one, and we're really grateful for this opportunity from Buhle, because I think, as I had mentioned, Guti, I draw inspiration from realness and rawness. I think also it's also a reflection of where we are, right? Yeah. So, and I'm also one of those people who used to look at exhibition and right? I think to myself, but then I grew into artistry. I grew into understanding how it can be used into something as a tool to express maybe what's going on as a reflection of your society and whatever. So it helps for tourists especially to come and consume our art, because I believe Africans are really talented, right? I think most of the work here is Africans, Swazis even. So it's very important to show that we're not just one thing, because that's how media portrays us, as poor and as that and that, right? We also have a good side to it. Life is not just a horrible experience for us, right? There's good also that comes with it, and there's storytelling. There's a lot of things that you can experience. So it's very important for these spaces like this to actually showcase our work and allow us to be and showcase what we think our society is like, and just tell our story. Okay. Yeah.
That's exciting. All right, my last question. I'm really interested about what way is this taking us in the future? Maybe where do you see yourself? I know it's a new path for you that has just started, but now what do you see in the future? What's coming up? Are there more exhibitions that we're going to attend? What is it that is coming that you think of when you just sit it down looking at it? You said everything is your inspiration. You're looking at the sky, you're thinking about your future as an artist and everything that you're doing. Where do you see yourself in the coming? What can you expect from an artist like you?
Really, I think what you can expect is realness, more rawness and vulnerability. I don't know where God is taking me, but wherever he is, I will follow. Wherever is leading me, I'll follow, because I draw a lot of inspiration from him, and I don't believe that I'm here because of my own accord, right? So the sky's the limit for me. Just look out for me, I guess.
All right, that's exciting. Okay, lastly, I want you to look at the camera and talk to Emaswati, because many people, as you said, they want to see what Eswatini has. So I'd like just you to encourage Emaswati that are like you, that are hiding somewhere in Eswatini, about what they are doing, because this is what people want to come and see when they come to Eswatini.
Maswat Flamali. I don't really use English. I mean, Siswati Gakulu, but ngicela nje kusho ukuthi spaces like this are very important and your voices are important as well. So ngicela ukuthi when you get the chance and the opportunity to showcase your work, like any form of art, ngicela wende njalo, because you don't know where that may lead you. And there are so many endless opportunities, and there's so many opportunities for us, and they want to hear our narrative. So you are the voice that we want to hear. You are the people that they're going to draw inspiration from. So don't hide. You're not helping anyone.
I hope you enjoyed everything that we brought for you today in Buhle Betfu. You will continue following us on all our social media platforms, that is particularly our YouTube channel, S13E8 TV YouTube channel. That is where you find the full episodes of your favorite show. Follow us there, and also follow me on social media, Neliswa WM Makanya. Text me there, tell us of the wonderful places that we can bring up here on Buhle Betfu. Until next week when we bring you more. Goodbye.